strong.
Hi guys, good morning. We're going now to what? What's the name of the place? Tinone.
The biggest
The biggest what? The biggest Buddha.
the biggest Buddha statue in southern hemisphere.
Okay, and what particular place? The name of the place?
Aldinga South.
Aldinga South. Still on the South Australia.
South Australia, yes.
Okay. So we will be there. How many minutes or how many hours ride?
It's only half an hour.
Okay, half an hour. Gani, dako na jud. Drop pa here at what's this? Hungry Jacks?
Yes, hungry jack.
Because we are hungry now.
Ginagay ko ba?
Hi. Where are you going? Nothing's ever changed my love for you. You want to know right now how much I love you. Girl, you don't understand. Even my heart was love.
Ano siya? Victoria Hotel. Hapit na tang ako.
Alright. Temple. Kita dai? Asa? Ilit ko. Kulit Hills ba? So we're now here at Buddhist temple. Buddhist. It's the biggest statue of Buddha. These are the tourists from the Philippines. From Cebu City. It's a lucky plant. Kung ay temple na nila. Dako kayo na siya, temple na inig mahumana.
Sa kong pamilya, maragya ka makapit kung katong ka dyan. It's going like that kind of. Like that.
So we're at the base.
Tanan dili.
Dili gid siya, taas kaayo. Mga pila ka ni siya kakuan. Metro. Kataas.
Uncle's not coming. He's staying nearby. So just... Hi. Hi. Want to see all the pictures and stuff?
So
We're here at Sellicks Beach.
Sellicks Beach. Hello.
Hello to Philippines.
Hello, Philippines.
Hello Cebu.
Taga Cebu.
Yeah. Give some more. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.